Hey, Mark Nelson from MarkNelsonOnline.com, coming to you from Knoxville, Tennessee. So how are you doing today? Have you ever wondered how to market your business on social media? And there's some things you absolutely must do and things you have to stay away from. But hang on just a minute. I'm going to get to all that really soon. What I'd like you to do is click on that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then also that little bell looking thing, click on that so you always get notifications when I'm on, because that's really helping. I'm going to give you tips and strategies on how to grow your online business every day. So let's get back to this topic. How do you market your business on social media? And this is, I'm coming at this because I was terrible. I really was. I was a spammer like no other person. I got so excited in my business, so excited. It was actually my second business, that all I did was put things out there. Company pictures, links. All I do, I'd send emails with links, just never even trying to get to know people. But what I did, there's two things, there's a couple of reasons why you don't want to do that. See, one, people get that all day long. You look very unprofessional, right? You just don't want to be spamming people, putting links on. There's another thing what happens is there's this machine called Google, right? And what happens on Google is if I hear of a company, guess what? I go Google it. And Google's very good at a couple things. One, if you ever Google anything, usually the first things that show up are the negative things. Surprise, surprise, right? Then, if somebody does get interested in your business, what they'll do is they go maybe Google a leader. So rather than joining you, they're going to go join somebody else. So don't put any links out there. Don't send people links. The second thing, hang on here. Before I go that, here's what you'd rather do. Sorry about that. I lost my train of thought here. Here's what you'd really want to do. You want to create curiosity. You know, when I'm on social media, I do different posts. I do lifestyle, I do educational, I do curiosity posts. I will talk about a business, but I never name the business. I might say that I'm working with a friend that is just kicking tail in this business. Man, so excited for another promotion but I really never mentioned the company. I don't want to Google it. I want to create curiosity. I want people to say, what the heck are you doing? You know, you must be in a business, and I want you to pay attention to this, because if you go look at leaders, your known leaders, you won't see them ever mention a company on their posts. You really don't. They just don't do it. Follow people who are very good marketers and copy what they do. That's how you build this business. Now, let's get the second thing. Hey, go look at your profile. All right? In one, look at it like, would you follow you? You know, here's what I do. Make sure your profile picture is you smiling. Don't put your dog up there. Don't put your company up there. Don't put whatever. It should be you. Now, some people work in husband and wife, and that should be those two. But mine is a picture of me. Your cover photo should be lifestyle. I'm real serious. I like to show people what I do. I want people to know who I am, because how people really relate to you is when you start building relationships. And when people build relationships, they reach out and they go, I want to work with that person. That's all that is. So take a look at your profile and make sure, and again, ask, would you follow you? Your tagline, just tell people who you are. Sometimes people will put and I believe on mine right now I have a little one-line thing for what I do. Helping entrepreneurs making more sales and money, or I coach people. But you could put a hashtag dad, hashtag mom, hashtag spouse, hashtag math teacher. That's what I am. I'm a math teacher. I don't have a hashtag math teacher on there. Now, the last thing, I think this is really important, because as you start building your business, as you start growing, people are starting to reach out to you. And they might say, hey, what company are you with? And I've done this, but I really, again, I'm learning from the best. And I'm trying to teach you to learn from the best. Here's what I do. I'll reach back to them. And I just ask them, are you asking this because you're really interested in what I do and want to see if it's something that you're interested in doing, or are you just seeing what company I'm in? Because if somebody's serious, I'd really prefer to talk to them on the phone. So let's say Sally sends me a message. Hey, Mark, what the heck company are you in? I'll just say, hey, Sally, this is so cool you asked out. Are you really interested in working with me? Or are you just looking to see what company I'm in? And if she's, I'm really interested in working with you, I'm going to say, hey, what is a good time that you and I can get on the phone? I'd prefer to talk to them. See, it doesn't matter if she joins my company or not, but I want to make sure that I'm sending her in the right spot. And I know that phone can become a challenge for lots of people. Me too. You just got to get past it. So, how do you market your business on social media? Tongue twister. How do you market your business on social media? Make sure you have no links. You go to any of my posts, when I'm on the lake a lot, you'll see that. No links. Create curiosity. All right? You don't want people going to Google and start searching things out. You know, they can search me out, but they're not going to find out what company I'm in. Then take a look at your profile. A smiling face of you, good cover photo, and do educational, lifestyle, maybe some business posts, but posts that will create curiosity, not posts that people are going to go to and they find out what company you're in. You want them reaching out to talk to you. And then when they do reach out to talk to you, make sure they're serious. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, as your business goes and you're going to get so stinking busy, you aren't going to have time to talk to everybody. You have to talk to the people who are serious. And that will happen. Trust me. So, hey, I have a great resource for you. Free. On 6 daily activity steps. The 6 daily activities that you should be doing to grow your business is an awesome giveaway. I actually have a checklist that you can follow every day, print out and follow every day that you need to be doing every day. I do this because I make sure I'm doing the things that I need to be doing. So I'll put that link in the description below, but go grab your 6 daily activities. It's going to help you in your business a lot. Again, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, go to that little bell and get notifications. Hey, hope all is well. You rock it, and we will see you again probably tomorrow.